The beautiful Nilgiris, home to the pastoral Toda tribe and small tea growers that are now an integral part of the supply chains of tea estates and leading tea packers, and proud partners of the Trinity program. Good agricultural practices, sustainable farming while living in harmony with nature, and the proximity of the farms to the factories ensure the best quality finished tea with an exquisite garden-fresh aroma. Trinity program assures improved quality, safe and fresh, and farm-to-cup traceable tea. Each pack of Trinity Assured tea comes with a QR code that intrinsically captures the entire journey of the production of the tea right from the farm to the cup.